BlockFi is a global cryptocurrency exchange that also provides interest-bearing accounts and low-interest loans. On trades, there are no transaction fees and there are no hidden fees or minimum balances. Welcome to Upstep Financial, where we help you navigate through your financial responsibilities and issues with informational content that range from step-by-step processes or simple financial and business tips. Stick around for more from us. BlockFi is a one-stop shop for cryptocurrency storage, leveraging, and management. It offers an 8.6% annual percentage yield, or APY, merely for storing your cryptocurrency on its platform, just like a bank does with fiat. BlockFi's website also provides financial tools for both expert and inexperienced investors. From their website, you may buy, sell, and trade significant coins such as Bitcoin and Ethereum, as well as USD-based coins such as USDC, USDT, GUSD, and PAX. Trading is fast, and it is saved in your BlockFi account. There is also a crypto-backed loan system where you can use your cryptocurrency as collateral to get same-day cash. BlockFi functions as a crypto bank that you can access from your computer 24 hours a day, 7 days a week, and another hot wallet for storing your cryptocurrency. Yet, given the ever-changing nature of cryptocurrency, it can be difficult to distinguish reputable initiatives from those promising great rewards without the ability to deliver. The claim by BlockFi that it can generate an 8.6% return on investment simply by holding your Bitcoin on their network is undeniably appealing. Banks will not even offer an APY of more than 1% on most savings accounts, putting your hard-earned money into a savings account no longer being a realistic and safe option to earn easy money. If BlockFi proves to be a dependable platform for crypto management and can back up its APY claim, it will surely be a worthy investment. So, is BlockFi a cryptocurrency hero or a cryptocurrency zero? We've done the research and put it all here to decide whether or not to use BlockFi for your Bitcoin needs. What makes BlockFi unique and different from others? First and foremost, BlockFi is the first and only Bitcoin lending platform that provides a cryptocurrency deposit account with compound interest. This implies that the monthly interest will be returned to the original pool and will continue to compound, allowing you to enhance your overall cryptocurrency holdings over time. Second, unlike Celsius Network and Nexo, BlockFi does not provide native tokens. This means that you don't have to possess or stake their platform-based tokens to use BlockFi's services and earn more excellent interest rates. Third, there is no longer a minimum balance needed to earn monthly compound interest with BlockFi. BlockFi main features. Currently, BlockFi offers 3 essential services. BlockFi Interest Account, or BIA. If you plan on keeping cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin and Ethereum for the long term and don't want to sell them, consider putting them to work with a BlockFi income account and earning up to 8.6% yearly interest. Instead of letting your cryptocurrency sit in your wallet and earning nothing, store it in a BlockFi interest account, and you will be rewarded in cryptocurrency monthly. This is comparable to making interest on traditional financial accounts such as savings accounts. However, instead of depositing local currency such as USD, EUR, or AUD, you put Bitcoin. As a result, you're also generating compound interest. Not to mention, BlockFi provides highly competitive interest rates that are not available in the typical financial market. One distinguishing feature of the BlockFi interest-bearing account is the ability to set your interest rate in any of the available currencies. For example, you can deposit BTC, ETH, and USDC and receive interest payments in BTC. As a result, you can quickly diversify your crypto investments this way without purchasing additional coins. BlockFi Loans. BlockFi Loans, on the other hand, can help if you need money but don't want to sell your Bitcoin. With BlockFi, you can acquire cash for your Bitcoin, BTC, Ether, ETH, or Litecoin, LTC, assets without having to sell them. Applying for a BlockFi loan is quick, simple, and straightforward. Credit checks are not performed. Fill out the application form in 5 minutes, BlockFi will analyze your submission, and you will receive a loan offer within 24 hours. To borrow USD, you must first deposit your cryptocurrency as collateral and take out a fiat loan for up to 50% of its value. Currently, the minimum loan amount available through BlockFi is $5,000, and the amount of Bitcoin collateral required to obtain a loan is decided by the loan's LTV, or loan-to-value ratio. BlockFi Trading. Aside from borrowing and lending cryptocurrency, BlockFi also facilitates crypto-to-crypto trade. You may exchange any cryptocurrency you have with BlockFi for another cryptocurrency in one place, without leaving the BlockFi interface. For example, BlockFi currently allows crypto trading between BTC, ETH, LTC, USDC, and GUSD. What's so appealing about this feature is that your funds will begin generating interest as soon as you complete a successful trade. So yes, you can exchange any existing currency on deposit with a BlockFi interest account for another cryptocurrency. By purchasing low and selling high, you may optimize your earning potential. For example, if the price of Bitcoin rises dramatically, you can change it to a stablecoin and let your converted stablecoin collect interest in the meantime. When the price of Bitcoin falls, you exchange your stablecoin for more Bitcoins. Who is BlockFi best for? After all is said and done, who is the perfect BlockFi client? Long-term investors. If your crypto holdings are idle, putting them to work for you in a BlockFi interest account is a no-brainer. Unlike a standard savings or money market account, current interest rates significantly outperform inflation and are sufficient to earn several $100s in extra income every year. Furthermore, if you ever need to liquidate your crypto assets quickly, you'll always have one free withdrawal every month. Crypto beginners. Similarly, if you're new to cryptocurrency, you should avoid day trading and instead let your first investment develop over time while you learn the ropes. A BlockFi interest account, on the other hand, is an excellent destination for a beginner's crypto investment because it incentivizes you to hold the line while earning passive income. How to sign up for a BlockFi account. Opening a BlockFi account is comparable to opening an account with a fiat financial institution or exchange, such as Coinbase or Binance. If you are over the age of 18, you can open a BlockFi interest account. The majority of countries allow their residents to sign up for BlockFi with no limitations, except for countries sanctioned by the US. BlockFi purports to enable users from most parts of the world. Users from New York, Connecticut, Washington, and the European Union were previously prohibited, but this appears to be no longer the case. Signing up is easy and can be summed up in 5 simple steps. Step 1. Get the BlockFi app from the App Store or Google Play, or go to app.blockfi.com. Step 2. Register for an account by providing your complete name, email address, and a unique and strong password. Also, if you have a referral code, utilize it to get a $250 bonus on your initial deposit. Step 3. Provide proof of identity to verify your information as part of the KYC AML procedure. Step 4. Use the Deposit tab to deposit monies from your crypto wallet or bank account into your account. To qualify for your referral incentive, you must deposit at least $100. Step 5. Begin earning interest on your account as soon as your funds are deposited. It can also be used as collateral for a loan or traded for other permitted cryptocurrencies and stablecoins. After that, your account will be activated, and you will have full access to BlockFi's numerous financial services and tools. BlockFi is intended to be simple, allowing even inexperienced investors to thrive and begin making money by keeping and trading cryptocurrency. You can open an account and start using BlockFi and earning income as soon as you can verify your identity and are 18 years old or older. While staking and trading your cryptocurrency might provide attractive profits, nothing compares to BlockFi's consistent returns on investment. Moreover, starting with BlockFi sooner rather than later will pay benefits later since its high APY will compound over time. BlockFi provides the services you would expect from a reputable and well-known financial institution. Whether you are keeping cryptocurrency for future usage or looking to exchange it for fiat now today. To summarize, BlockFi is creating chances that no other company can match. The opportunity to earn interest on your Bitcoin while storing it in a digital wallet that you may access at any time. Their clients may connect various fiat and cryptocurrencies to work for them in creative and profitable ways using their products such as loans, crypto trading, and more. BlockFi's past innovations and forthcoming projects make it a firm to keep an eye on and participate in the following years. Make sure to give this video a thumbs up and comment your thoughts in the comment section below. See you next time.